how to find high school information's privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find high school information's privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and then click profile information, and here you will find your high school. Just click this pin here and click this one, share with, and here you can manage high school informations privacy settings, and here just click done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.